I'm about to check out these food storage containers for the very first time. These were sent for my review, and this is a 2-pack, and these ones are 6.5 liters each, which is awesome. I am currently trying to organize my pantry right now, so I'm all about kind of organizing everything. I think these would be really good for like putting your rice inside, because right now I actually have to keep my rice in the freezer because we want to make sure we keep it bug free. So being able to have containers like this would be awesome. Ooh, they even come with the scoopers. Again, that's definitely why my mind goes to like rice, or maybe like if you have your oats. I mean, obviously you literally can put anything in here. You can do your spaghetti, you can do all kinds of different things, but I just feel like, you know, any kind of like grain or anything like that would be really fantastic. And of course these cups right here, measuring cup, you have up to, this is a 1 cup measuring cup. So I think that's really great. You have it all labeled there. So it makes it really nice and easy to kind of scoop and get out. And of course they do give you some stickers right here so that you can actually label things. And then the lid, let's check out these lids. Super nice. You've got that really great seal around here, so you know it's going to keep it really airtight. These ones here are the black one, but you can also get like a clear seal. You can also get a gray seal as well. So let's go ahead and see how well these snap on. So we just put, oh, nice and tight. Ooh. Let's see, hold on. There we go. Oh, it's actually kind of difficult to do, which is something that I like, because you know that everything's going to be in here, and you're not going to get any spoiled food inside there. So as I said, this is a 2-pack, 6.5 liters. These are awesome.